Palantir's 2027 earnings per share estimate. Okay, that's this figure here at 96 cents. This is what the analysts on Wall Street that are following Palantir stock, this is the number they think that Palantir will deliver in 2027 in earnings per share. And you can see the analysts on Wall Street are expecting big increases in Palantir's earnings per share, rising from 58 cents in 2025 to 73 cents in 2026 and 96 cents in 2027. Palantir's earnings are rising. So the next number I'm going to need for my stock price estimate is Palantir's forward price to earnings ratio. Again, getting this from fiscal.ai. Palantir's forward PE is now at a whopping 241 forward price to earnings ratio. That's more than 10 times as expensive as the average stock in the S&P 500 index. That's how enthusiastic investors are about Palantir stock. The valuation has soared to astronomical levels. So for those reasons, I'm expecting the decline in the forward PE multiple. Now, if the forward PE multiple were to decline to 200, then the stock price would still rise, but a little less so, to $192 a share. If the forward PE multiple were to decline to 150, the stock price would fall to $144 a share. If the forward PE multiple were to decline to 100, the stock price could fall to $96 a share. Now, keep in mind, the forward PE multiple of 100 would still be roughly 5 times the average stock in the S&P 500 index. So that would still be a super premium valuation, and that would cause a decline in Palantir stock price by roughly 50%. I just want to point this out to you just so you get an understanding of how expensive Palantir stock is right now in terms of valuation, in terms of what you're getting in return for the price that you're paying. And we're measuring that by the earnings you're getting as a result of the price you're paying. So all that being said, where do I think the stock price ends? Where do I think is the most likely scenario for Palantir stock price by the end of 2026? I think the stock price increases, but not by all that much. My estimate is that the share price will be between $150 and $180 per share by the end of next year, but you're going to experience very large risk. You're going to experience lots of volatility in order to get this level of return from Palantir stock.
Click the link below to watch the full video.